Application and uses of biostatistics as science. Let us make it simple by dividing the uses in simple side headings. First, in philosophy and anatomy. Have you ever wondered who sets the normal values of blood pressure, heartbeat, blood glucose level, etc.? It is the biostatistics which helps in setting those normal values. So the first use is to define what is normal or healthy in a population and to find limits of normality in variables such as weight and pulse rate. Secondly, to find the difference between means and proportions of normal at two places or in different periods. For example, by using biostatistics, we found out that the mean height of boys in Gujarat is less than the mean height of boys in Punjab. After knowing this, we can further investigate what are the factors resulting in it. Maybe nutritional differences or something else. In the same way, to find the correlation between two variables x and y such as height and weight, for example, whether weight increases or decreases proportionately with height, or if so, by how much has to be found. So the two main uses of biostatistics in relation to anatomy and physiology is to find the normal values and to find the difference between means and proportions. Next, in pharmacology, to find the action of the drug, a drug is given to animals or humans to see whether the changes produced are due to the drug or by chance. To compare the action of two different drugs or two successive dosages of the same drug. To find the relative potency of the new drug with respect to a standard drug. In medicine, to compare the efficacy of a particular drug, operation, or line of treatment. For this, the percentage cured, relieved, or died in the experiment and control groups is compared and difference applying statistical techniques. To find an association between two attributes such as cancer and smoking or filariasis and social class. Lastly, to identify signs and symptoms of a disease or syndrome. For example, cough in typhoid is found by chance and fever is found in almost every case. So, the proportional occurrence of a symptom in a disease indicate whether it is characteristic feature of the disease or not. Next comes in community medicine and public health. To test usefulness of sera and vaccines in the field. This is done by calculating percentage of attacks or deaths among the vaccinated subjects and is compared with the among the unvaccinated ones to find whether the difference observed is statistically significant. In epidemiological studies, that is to know the cause of the disease statistically. For example, deficiency of iodine can be given as an important cause of goiter in a community only after comparing the incidence of goiter cases before and after giving iodized salt. So these are the application and uses of biostatistics as science. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.